welcome back to the Von Regan Kitchen. My name is Teresa Von Regan, and if you're new to my channel, this channel is about all things beauty, health, and wealth. And what I love about health is cooking. For today, in Teresa's Kitchen, we are gonna do one of my fast, flavorful, with a few ingredients recipes. This recipe only has 3 ingredients: button mushrooms, bacon bits made from fresh bacon, and sharp cheddar cheese. And you can see I love my French pearl Lennox set. I know I say that all the time, but this set is such a classic. I'll leave it in the description. This recipe is called bacon button mushrooms. And I love this recipe because it reminds me of my childhood friend, Tommy. And Tommy is a girl, and she was my best childhood friend and still a great friend. And she made this recipe up for us one day in her kitchen, and we ate it as an appetizer at a party with our families. The 2 first things you're gonna do is cook your bacon, and I like to bake my bacon in the oven at like 425 to 450, depending on your oven temperature. Let it cool, and then crush it into bacon bit crumbles. Fresh bacon bits are the best. Then, while your bacon is cooking, you're gonna de-stem all your button mushrooms. So you're gonna have a mushroom like this one, and you're gonna just twist and pull off the stem. And then I save the stems in my fridge, and I use them for like omelets, or I use them in rice. I mix them in rice and do like a vegetable rice saute. So we don't waste any food. We use all the parts of the food. So place all your button mushrooms on a tray like this. And if you like my cookie tray, this is my favorite cookie tray that I use all the time. I'll leave the link in the description. Then you're gonna stuff them with some bacon bits and also cheese. You're gonna top them with cheese, the cheddar cheese. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do all the bacon first, and then I'm gonna go back and put the cheese. Now that I finished putting the bacon and cheese on all of these yummy bacon button mushrooms, we're gonna pop these in the oven at about 400 degrees, depending on your oven. If it's like a cooler oven, you can put it at 425, for about 10 to 12 minutes. We want to put them on the middle rack. That's a tip, because your bacon's already cooked and you don't want your cheese to burn. So put them on the middle oven rack for best cooking. Okay, I'm gonna put them in the oven. Okay, fam. The bacon button mushrooms are out of the oven. They look so good. I've already popped like 3 or 4 into my mouth. This is what they look when they come out of the oven. I will say that I put it at 400 for about 10 minutes, and the cheese started to get a little bit too dark, just a little bit too crispy. So I would cut the time to like 8 minutes. So 400 for 8 minutes, and I'll notate the recipe card. We have to put them on a pretty plate to serve them. So I have my French pearl Lennox plate that we're gonna put them on to serve them. These are great for an appetizer or a side dish. They're so good. Like I could eat half of them. Probably shouldn't with all the bacon and cheese, cholesterol city. But you can see it's just such a pretty presentation. Okay, fam, I want you to give these bacon button mushrooms a try and put in the comments what you think. I'm gonna pop one into my mouth now, like my 5th one. Perfection. I love the saltiness of bacon, but the flavor of cheese added to it with the savory taste of the mushroom. Perfection. I want to give a shout out to my good friend Tommy for creating this recipe. And I also want to tell you, don't forget to like, subscribe, be part of the fam, and put a note in the comments telling us what recipes you want to see next. Bye for now, fam.